Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I have the monthly subscription Sew Sampler box. And it is the December box. And it says Winter with You. It says warm up your stash of notions. And then, of course, it's got 20% off promotion for your notions. Here's a little book so I don't miss anything, because I'm really bad about that. Alrighty, so we have a card that is advertising the Threadology Quilt Along for 2019. It says, join us in making this spoolish quilt with 8 different sampler blocks to create the Threadology quilt featuring little snippets by Bonnie and Camille from Moda Fabrics. And this is, every year it's a charity quilt, and this is the charity quilt that they're making for, it's going to benefit Make-A-Wish. So the first thing we have here is some really pretty aqua color thread. Oops, and I've got it upside down, but that's all right. It's Aurifil. Let me get you in the camera here. Sorry about that. And then we have Tulip Pink, and it is her tweezers. They have a Quilting in the Rain is what it says. It's got little hearts on it, and it's a little pair of snips. And this is going to go in that bag that I'm giving away, because you know I've got a lot of those little scissors. And then we have the fabric, which I'm going to open up here in a minute and show you. And it is for the Avalon tote bag. This is the pattern for it. That's the fabric that we have. And then we have the barn quilt. Y'all know my story about the barn quilt. So let's look at this fabric here. It is 2 little bundles of 2.5 inch. It's called Mini Origami Pack. It's Woodland Rose, and it's by, looks like Jera Brandvig, I think is how you pronounce it. That's that right there. Let's see, can we take a look at it? Well, let me pull this down a little bit. Or not. There we go. Okay, that's what it looks like. Give you an idea here. That's pretty neat fabric. It's mainly flowers, and it's all in, it's going to be in a tan, looks like a red, a yellow, a pink, a green, a blue. So there's 2 of them. And then we have a cream color, and it has hearts on it. That's really pretty. And then we have blue with flowers. That's really pretty. Looks like roses in the circle. See if you turn it that way there. See it? And that is everything in this box. So I will lay it out here so you all can see it. Let me make sure by the sheet here that is everything. Yes, that is everything. All right, I'll lay it out here for you. Alrighty, here is everything that was in the box to make that little bag. I hope everybody liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. And keep in mind, once I reach 1,000, and I hope it's this year, I'm going to have a large giveaway. Somebody's going to be pretty lucky. All right, take care, everybody. Till next time. Bye-bye.